What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Do you know anything about Luminous Sign products? Common Luminous Sign products include metal Luminous Sign series and acrylic Luminous Sign series. Each Luminous Sign product series consists of different Luminous Sign products. The material of the metal Luminous Sign product series are generally composed of stainless steel, aluminum alloy, acrylic, LED module materials, etc. The light source is soft and the appearance is high-end. While the acrylic Luminous Sign product series is made of acrylic, stainless steel, and LED light strips, which are durable, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective. Commonly used in store decoration and other outdoor occasions. If you want your store to stand out, they will be your best choice. We provide 3 to 5 years warranty service and support customization. Our products shipping worldwide. So if you have any needs, don't hesitate to contact us and follow LCSIGN.